Hello friends, good morning to all. Now we have to start the next reagent. The name of the reagent is DCC. In the last class we have to study the OSO4 reagent and DCC reagent. Now we have to start the next reagent DCC. Its long form is N, N dicyclohexyl carbodiamide structure. Or it's see the molecular formula is C6H11 N double bond C double bond N C6H11. This C6H11 is structural formula is this type. Here is the benzene like structure, but here is no presence of double bond. Here is dicyclohexyl. Hexyl structure means one of the less hydrogen, which is due to is attached to nitrogen. Here C double bond N and C double bond N means imides. Here is two types of the C double bond N and C double bond means here is the diimide structure, carbodiimide structure. Here is to attach the cyclohexane structure, so it is the dicyclohexyl, and this is also attached to N means nitrogen. It is total name or long form is N, N dicyclohexyl carbodiimide structure. See the preparation. The preparation of DCC, it is the oxidation of N, N dash dicyclohexyl thiourea with mercuric oxide. This is the N, N dash dicyclohexyl thiourea is used. It is the formula C6H11 NH C double bond S NH C6H11. Here is S means thio. It is the actual formula is urea. Here is used the O means urea. Here is S is used, so it is the thiourea. It is oxidized with, or oxidation reaction takes place with mercuric oxide and formation of the DCC. Here the formula C6H11 N double bond C double bond N C6H11, and byproduct is formation of mercuric sulfide and water molecule. And see the next second type of preparation is dehydration of N, N dicyclohexyl thiourea with para-toluene sulfonyl chloride. Here is the reactant is changed. So here is the dehydration of N, N dicyclohexyl thiourea. Reactant or substrate is take the same, but reagent is changes in this reaction, and formation of the same product is a DCC. Here C6H11 NH C double bond S C bond with NH and C6H11, and formation of the DCC product. Here its molecular formula is C6H11 N double bond with C double bond with N and bond with formation with the C6H11, and here is the total compound or molecular formula of the DCC, and byproduct is formation of the hydrogen sulfide. This type of the preparation is takes place with react with mercuric oxide and para toluene sulfonyl chloride in hot pyridine. This is the molecular formula of this compound. Okay. See the example. Example of reactions of the DCC with other compound. Here, first we have to react the acid and amine with DCC, and here is the formation of amide and carboxylic acid and dicyclohexyl urea. See the molecule formula. Take a two acid molecules. Its formula is RCOOH plus amine means R dash NH2. NH2 attached to R group means it is the amine, and it is react with the DCC. CrC6H11 N double bond C double bond N C6H11, and formation of the product is amide. Here R C double bond O dash C dash NH. R means this is the amide. This formula is C double bond O, NH is the amide groups. And formation of carboxylic acid RCOOH and C6H11, NHC double bond O, NHC6H11. Here is the dicyclohexyl urea. Here is the O is attached to this compound, it is the urea, and when it is attached with the sulfur atom, it is the thiourea. This type of starting compound is used the thiourea and formation of the DCC compound, and it is the reaction here and formation of the dicyclohexyl urea. So we have to see the next mechanism, how to formation of this amide and carboxylic acid. See here is the mechanism. Now in this mechanism we have to use the starting substrate or reactant is the acid. RC double bond O, OH means acid group, is react with the DCC reagent. Here is the molecular formula of DCC is written in this form. Here is C6H11, N double bond C, C double bond N, C6H11. In this reaction or in this mechanism, starting this nitrogen containing lone pair of electrons. So it is abstract proton from acid. Here this nitrogen is abstract this proton or H plus ion, and here is this bond is give here attack, and here is the formation of negative charge. See here is the formation of negative charge on oxygen by abstracting of proton of this DCC molecules or compound. Here is the formation of NH plus due to the abstraction of proton. Here form charge is the positive charge. And next step in this mechanism, this O minus is attack on this carbon. See here this carbon, here is the attack on this carbon of the DCC molecule, and this double bond is used the attack on this nitrogen. Here is the positive charge present, and this is the neutralized due to given of this electron. And see this step, here is the RC double bond O, OH acid group is attached to the carbon atom of DCC molecule, and here is the neutral charge formation with NH molecule. Here is the positive charge, this gives electron to, here is the formation of neutral molecules. And next step, here is the abstract the proton from another acid. In this reaction we have to use the two molecules of acid, so this proton is abstract, H plus ion is written here, which is abstract this nitrogen. This nitrogen is abstract the H plus ion, and here is formation of same this type of reaction is takes place. Here is the formation of positive charge on nitrogen, and see the next, here is R C double bond O, O minus means second molecule of acids. Here is presence of O minus ion. First is actually abstract the H plus ion. See here shown here. Here is the positive charge. Here seen structure is same, but write in the different format here. N plus and NH. Okay, same mechanism for the second acid molecule. Here is the formation of same type of reactions, and this acid is attack on the carbonyl group of first acids. This is the second group of acid molecule. This is the first group of the acid group. So here is the attack of second molecule of acid on the first carbonyl group of acid, not direct attack on the DCC carbons. Here this O minus attack is the C double bond O, and this O is attacked on the, here means formation of double bond with C, and this N plus, and here is the C double bond N is formation of single bond, and charge positive is neutralized due to the given of electrons. Okay, so here is the formation of acid anhydride R. See the structure R, C double bond O, C double bond O. This O is attached to this carbonyl group, means here is C. Here is formation of C double bond O, and this R is written as this sides. This is the acid anhydride. And next, this is the neutralizer compounds. Here C6H11 NH double bond O NHC6H11, means it is the urea type of molecules. Here in example, this dicyclohexyl urea is formed in this mechanism. Okay, next, this anhydride or acid anhydride is react with the amine molecules. Amine molecules, in you have to take the reaction first here, amine and acid group. Here is the step by step process in mechanism. The second, amide is react with the acid anhydride. This H, one of the H means here is the proton is abstract the this acids, or this is attached to this O group. Here is the formation of R C double bond O R H. See here R C O means C double bond O H group. This is the acid formation, and remaining NH R or R dash NH group is attached to this carbonyl groups. See here R C O NH R dash. Here is the CO means C double bond O, and this type of formation of the amide groups. And here is the completion of the mechanism by using acid and DCC and amide, and last formation of the product is the amide acid group and urea type of the dicyclohexane. Okay, this type of the mechanism is completed. Okay, thank you. We have to see the next mechanism in next class.